This testimonial was provided by Aisha Ruiz from San Diego, California. After graduating from the college, I had the chance to work for my first dealer in the car business by working the sales floor at a busy tent sale. We got backed up, so I offered to help complete the F&I paperwork to keep customers moving. Initially, the GM said no chance since I was new to the business, but I was confident in my abilities and we became even more backed up. After a little more conversation, the GM gave me a shot. I mean, what did he have to lose, right? Deals are getting rushed through F&I with very little F&I profit, and I proved to him I could disclose the contract. Well, my numbers were twice as high as the full-time F&I person due to my training. A few weeks later, I was offered a full-time F&I position. I was then promoted to F&I director due to my knowledge of special finance, leasing, and loan underwriting gained at the college. Then I was promoted to F&I director of the entire dealer group.
He called me to go to a tent sale. Never been in the car industry, so it was experience for me. He brought me into his office and said, we just had an F&I position open, would you like it? And this was from a man that told me that he was not gonna hire me without any prior auto experience whatsoever. I've never sold a car in my life. He loved me, I knocked him off his feet, as he would say, and I love my job.